Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. Today I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about Black Canary and Enchantress. Let's go.
Fighters approaching contact.
Dinah, this isn't a drill.
This is an intervention.
I'm not interested in rehab.
Begin.
20 lesser-known facts about Enchantress. 1. Her real name is June Moon, a regular human until she gains powers through a magical entity. 2. Her voice and appearance change drastically when she becomes the Enchantress. 3. She lives with split personalities. June Moon and the Enchantress often act like entirely different people. 4. She officially joined the Suicide Squad in 1987. 5. Her powers include mind manipulation, energy projection, and telekinesis. 6. In Justice League action, her internal conflict is shown as a war between good and evil. 7. She's not entirely a villain. Her morality shifts depending on her mental state. 8. Her magical abilities stem from an ancient artifact that demands a personal cost. 9. She can control shadows, cast illusions, and summon magical creatures. The Season of the Witch series, 2018, explored her deeper connection to DC's magical world. 11. She often clashes with other sorcerers like Zatanna, Constantine, and Dr. Fate. 12th, her design often features a cloak and markings on her face to highlight her mystical side. 13, some comics list her as June Moon, the Enchantress, to stress her duality. 14, she can open portals to other dimensions and summon demons. 15th, her magic often drains her or threatens to consume her mind. 16th June is portrayed as emotionally fragile but charismatic, always balancing two lives. 17, her powers can warp time, gravity, and space. 18, she considered one of the most powerful magical beings in the DC universe. 19, she's part of DC's mystical hierarchy, often engaging with major magical characters. 20, her story is as much about magic as it is about mental health and inner conflict.
Enchantress wins.
20 lesser-known facts about Black Canary. 1. She once broke free from mind control due to her incredibly strong will.
Begin.
2. Despite not being a metahuman, she has fought and held her own against characters like Black Adam. 3rd, her speed is peak human. She can catch arrows mid-flight. 4. Her hearing is naturally protected from her own sonic scream. 5. She incorporates her canary cry into her martial arts techniques. 6. She can direct and modulate sound to stop enemy attacks or produce ultrasonic frequencies. 7. She once used her scream to fly short distances and extinguish fires. 8. She was not created as a spin-off. She debuted in 1947 as an original female hero. 9. She initially operated as a criminal undercover before fully becoming a hero. 10. There are 2 canaries in continuity, Dinah Drake Lance, mother, and Dinah Laurel Lance, daughter. 11th, her scream is sometimes depicted as a meta-gene-based power. 12th, her canary cry once destroyed an entire island. 13, she trained her breath control by playing the harmonica. 14, she owned a flower shop named Sherwood Florist. 15, She was almost married to Ra's al Ghul in one storyline. 16, she switched places with Lady Shiva and lived under a new identity. 17, there are alternate universe versions, including male and African-American
Black
canaries.
Canary wins.
18, her legacy includes generations, her mother, herself, and even future canaries. 19th, a solo miniseries was planned for her in 1984, but was never released. 20, after Crisis on Infinite Earths, she temporarily replaced Wonder Woman in the Justice League.